ready? Here we go. First things first, we're going to put 4 dots on our paper. We're going to put 1 in each corner. Don't put them right at the edge. Kind of bring them in from the edge a little bit. And now we're going to connect those dots with lines. And if you need to move your paper so it's easier to draw your lines, you can. They don't have to be perfectly straight. They can be a little bit wavy. It's okay. We just want to get our lines to make a nice border around the paper. How'd you do? Do all right? Good. When you're done with that, I want you to put your name down at the bottom somewhere, okay? I'm going to put mine right down here. If you want to put yours on this side, you can. I'm going to start right about here. And I'm just going to put Mr. Hendry. But if you would put your first name, that would be great. If you know how to write your last name, you are welcome to put that on there. But if you don't, it's okay. Your first name is great. Circle, okay? Our first shape that we're going to draw is a circle, and I'm going to go right up here, and I'm going to draw my circle. Think about the number 0 or the letter O, and that's what we're trying to do, a nice circle. What is a shape that's a lot like a circle? Yes, sir. An oval, that's exactly right. We're going to draw an oval. And it's a lot like a circle that it's nice and smooth and kind of round, but it's wider or taller than it is in one direction than the other. Okay? I'm going to teach you a little bit of a trick. You can just draw the triangle if you want to, but one thing I do is I put 3 dots down and then I connect the dots. That helps me make sure that my triangle looks the way I want to before I draw it. Now, I don't know if you realized it, but you guys, if you drew a triangle, you are really good at drawing Doritos. So congratulations. All right, guys, what do you think our next shape's going to be? Yes, it is a square. You can just draw the square, or you can draw 4 dots and try to space them out before you draw your lines, and that will let you see it a little bit before you actually draw it. How'd you do? Awesome. Okay, who can tell me what our next shape is going to be? Yes, sir? You got it. Now, how is a rectangle different from a square? Yes, sir? That's right. It's longer on one side than the other. So I'm going to do my dots again. I'm going to make my rectangle wider than it is tall. But you could also have a rectangle that is taller than it is wide. So there is our rectangle. How'd you do? Awesome. Raise your hand if you need more time. All right, we'll take just a little bit longer. All right. Listen carefully. Everybody give me 3. Our last shape is a star, and if you already know how to draw it, that's great, but I'm going to teach you a trick to draw it. Raise your hand if you know how to draw a capital A. Almost everybody will know how to draw a capital A. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to start, and it's a lot like a triangle. I'm going to start like this, so go ahead and do that. Okay? Now, what comes next if I were drawing a capital A? You got it. A line across the middle. We're going to do a line across the middle, but we're going to stretch its arms out a little bit, okay? So instead of just drawing it inside here, we're actually going to bring it out to the sides like that, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Good. That's a good way to draw a star. I like it. Now what we're going to do, we only have 2 more lines to go. I'm going to start over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to call this his hand. I'm going to go from the left hand to the right foot over there. So a diagonal line down. And then I'm going to go from the right hand down to the left foot. And now you've got a star. All right, guys. Everybody give me 3 one more time. I'm about to bring out the markers, and when I do, we're going to color our shapes with the colors of the color wheel. Okay? So we're going to do a red circle, an orange oval, a yellow triangle, a green square, a blue rectangle, and a purple star. You think you guys can do that? Yeah! Awesome. Let's do it.